Ever found yourself staring at your iPhone, wondering if that sleek, innovative crypto hardware wallet, the Tangem card, will actually play nice with your Apple device? It's a common question, and one that cuts right to the heart of convenience and security in the fast-paced world of digital assets. We all want our tech to just work, especially when it comes to something as crucial as our cryptocurrencies. So, does Tangem work on iPhone? Let's dive in. The short answer is a resounding yes. Tangem wallets are designed to be fully compatible with iPhones. This is a huge relief for Apple enthusiasts who want the robust security of a hardware wallet without having to switch ecosystems or jump through complicated hoops. The core technology that makes this seamless interaction possible is NFC, or near-field communication. Your iPhone, from the iPhone 8 and newer models, is equipped with an NFC antenna, allowing it to communicate with the Tangem card with a simple tap. Now, while the general answer is yes, there are a few nuances to consider to ensure the smoothest experience. First and foremost, you'll need the Tangem app. This is your gateway to managing your crypto assets stored on the Tangem card. You can easily download it from the Apple App Store, and it's the interface through which you'll view balances, send and receive cryptocurrencies, and interact with decentralized applications, dApps. When it comes to iOS versions, Tangem requires iOS 14.5 or higher for full NFC support. If you're running an older iOS version, you might encounter limitations, particularly with features like creating a backup of your private key directly on your phone. However, even with older models like the iPhone 7 Plus, while full NFC support for all functions might be limited, you can still use a compatible iPhone, iPhone 8 or newer, to set up your wallet and then continue using your original device for basic transactions, as the critical data resides on the Tangem card itself, not your phone. One of the beautiful aspects of the Tangem wallet is its simplicity. There are no batteries to charge, no cables to connect. It truly lives up to its tap and go promise. To scan your Tangem card, you simply open the Tangem app and tap the card to the top of your iPhone. The app usually provides a visual guide or animation to show you the optimal placement for the NFC scan. Occasionally, users might encounter minor hiccups. For instance, a thick phone case can sometimes interfere with the NFC signal. If you're having trouble scanning, try removing your phone case. Also, ensure there are no other NFC-enabled cards, like bank cards, in close proximity that could interfere with the connection. Rebooting your iPhone can also sometimes resolve temporary NFC glitches. It's also worth noting that while the Tangem app is an interface, your private keys are securely stored on the Tangem card's chip, not on your iPhone. This is a critical security feature. If your iPhone is lost or broken, you won't lose access to your funds, as you can simply use another compatible iPhone or Android device with the Tangem app and your Tangem card to regain access to your portfolio. In essence, the Tangem wallet and iPhone form a powerful and user-friendly combination for securing and managing your crypto. The integration is seamless, leveraging the iPhone's existing NFC technology to provide a genuinely hardware-based security solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.